A vending machine that dispenses gold and silver is the latest attraction for customers looking to buy precious metals in Mumbai. Yes, you heard it right. This vending machine doesn't dispense the usual snacks or soft drinks. It offers you the chance to buy a gift for your loved ones or park your savings in an investment you may have been eyeing. Located in an upscale mall, the company behind the vending machine claims it provides customers with the live market price of the metals, so they don't have to worry about whether they bought them at a rate that might have been lower at the time of purchase.
It's one of its kind because what you see behind is a vending machine where you can vend or customer can purchase gold and silver coins and bars. That's the best part about it. If you look at it, previously, traditionally, people go to stores and buy gold, which is for investment purpose or gifting purpose. Here, what you say is you can buy gold and silver coins through this machine. The best part about the machine is, the products are on the live price, a live market price. So what you see in different stores when you go, there are different rates. When you go to different cities, there are different rates. Here, what you see is we are selling the product on the live price.
Customers who want to try it out before making bigger purchases can buy just half a gram of gold or 5 grams of silver to start with. Payment is easy. Just swipe your debit or credit card or use UPI.
वेंडिंग मशीन यहाँ पे मुझे देखा, तो जैसे कि अभी अक्षय तृतीया आ ही रहा है, तो सोचा कुछ खरीद लूँ. तो मैंने जस्ट एक नया एक्सपीरियंस किया कि ये 10 ग्राम का सिल्वर कल्पवृक्ष कॉइन मैंने अभी यहाँ से परचेस किया. तो कुछ इतना टफ नहीं है, बहुत इजी प्रोसेस है. आप यहाँ से खरीद सकते हो. अगर आपको नियर बाय कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, गिफ्टिंग पर्पज के लिए कुछ कॉइन्स आपको लेने. प्राइसिंग भी मैंने कंपेयर किया, तो ये प्राइसिंग भी बहुत लोएस्ट है एज कंपेयर टू अदर ब्रांड्स. मैंने भी अभी देखा, जैसे मैं पहले घूम के ही आया था, तो ये प्राइस भी मुझे लोएस्ट लगा, तो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ से ही परचेज किया.
The only worry customers may have is whether they'll need to physically shake the machine or kick it if it fails to dispense the product they have paid for. The company assures they won't have to, as it plans to install similar vending machines across other locations in Mumbai and other metros as well.